In the last 24 hours, the state reported just over 100 new cases of COVID-19. It is the second day in a row new cases were under 200. The positivity rate also dropped. Today, President Joe Biden is expected to speak about the country's vaccine efforts. More than 70% of Marylanders have gotten at least one dose of the coronavirus vaccine. Rachel Menatoff explains what that means and what we still need to do.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Maryland is leading the way. 70% of adults now have at least one COVID shot.
It's a blessing, and we should always take advantage of that.
Governor Hogan said it was an ambitious goal, but that once again, our healthcare heroes have risen to the occasion, as have millions of Marylanders.
It's basically having reached a threshold of what many people think is herd immunity levels.
Dr. Jonathan Thierman is with LifeBridge Health. He says the number of people vaccinated is high, and as a result, people are resisting the disease quicker than it can spread.
We've reached this 70% milestone. What do we need to do now? What comes next?
The holy grail would be to drive this disease down to very, very, very low levels.
It also allows local jurisdictions to ease restrictions. For example, Anne Arundel County announced Tuesday that staff will return to work on July 5th, and it's opening all government buildings to the public on July 19. Kennedy Hooper is a senior at Towson University, which requires all students and faculty be vaccinated in time for the fall semester.
And that was like my most concern, is to feel protected when I go back to school on campus.
Dr. Thierman says to keep up with these positive trends, it will eventually be important to follow up with annual or semi-annual booster shots in accordance with future regulations. Outside M&T Bank Stadium, I'm Rachel Menatoff for WJZ.
1,500 people in Baltimore County have died from COVID-19. County leaders want a place for people to go and reflect. This concept would be installed at Lake Roland Park near the walking and biking paths. They say it represents unity and healing, as well as honoring those who died. But they need local artists to submit ideas by July 1st. We do have details on our website, WJZ.com.